What would happen if the sun vanished and something far more dangerous took its place? A dead star, a magnetar, a supermassive black hole, or even the most powerful object ever discovered in the universe. Would Earth survive? Would humanity adapt? Or would our planet be erased from existence before we even realized what happened? Today, we're replacing our sun with some of the most extreme objects in space. And with every swap, things get more terrifying. And let's start with something that might actually give us a chance. Number 1, white dwarf. The first replacement is a white dwarf. This is what's left behind when a sun-like star dies. It's roughly the size of Earth, but contains almost the entire mass of the sun. At first, nothing seems wrong. Earth remains in orbit because the mass is nearly identical. But then the problem begins. A white dwarf produces only a tiny fraction of the sun's light. Within days, temperatures start falling. Within months, crops fail. Within years, the oceans begin freezing. The sky becomes permanently dim. Humanity retreats underground. For a while, we survive. But eventually, Earth becomes an ice-covered graveyard, not instant death, just a slow freeze. Destruction. Rating 5 out of 10. Number 2, red dwarf. Now let's replace the sun with a red dwarf, the most common type of star in the universe. At first glance, this seems better. The star still shines, daylight still exists. But there's a catch. Red dwarfs are much dimmer. Earth would receive far less energy. Global temperatures would plunge. Most plants would die. The food chain would collapse. And many red dwarfs produce violent stellar flares. Massive radiation storms would constantly bombard Earth. Human civilization might survive for a while, but life would become a constant battle. Destruction rating 6 out of 10. Number 3, neutron star. Now things get serious. Imagine compressing the sun into a sphere only 20 kilometers wide. That's a neutron star. From Earth, the sky suddenly goes dark. The brilliant sun disappears. In its place is a tiny object almost impossible to see. Without sunlight, photosynthesis stops. Plants die, temperatures crash. But freezing isn't the worst part. Neutron stars release intense radiation. Earth would slowly become both frozen and irradiated at the same time. It's like living inside a cosmic freezer and microwave simultaneously. Destruction rating 8 out of 10. Number 4, Magnetar. If neutron stars are terrifying, magnetars are nightmares. These are the most magnetic objects known to exist. Their magnetic fields are trillions of times stronger than Earth's. The moment a magnetar replaces the sun, chaos erupts. Satellites fail, power grids collapse, communication networks disappear. The planet's magnetic shield becomes distorted. Radiation floods the atmosphere. Brilliant auroras light up the entire sky. Beautiful, deadly. Within a short time, Earth becomes uninhabitable. Destruction rating 9 out of 10. Number 5, Quasar. Now let's get ridiculous. Instead of a star, we place a quasar at the center of the solar system. A quasar is powered by a feeding supermassive black hole. Some shine brighter than trillions of stars. The moment it appears, Earth is flooded with unimaginable energy. The atmosphere ionizes, oceans evaporate, the surface melts. The entire planet glows red hot. Even Pluto wouldn't be safe. A quasar doesn't just kill Earth, it sterilizes the solar system. Destruction rating 10 out of 10. Number 6, Sagittarius. A star. What if our sun became the supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way? Sagittarius. A star contains over 4 million times the mass of the sun. The result is immediate disaster. Earth's orbit becomes meaningless. The entire solar system is dragged inward. Mercury disappears first, then Venus, then Earth. As we fall closer, the black hole grows larger in the sky. Stars bend around it, time slows, gravity becomes overwhelming, and eventually our entire world is torn apart. Destruction. Rating 11 out of 10. Number 7. Rogue black hole. But strangely enough, a smaller black hole may be even creepier. Imagine replacing the Sun with a black hole that has exactly the same mass as the Sun. Surprisingly, Earth doesn't get sucked in. Our orbit remains almost unchanged. Gravity stays the same. For a few moments, everything seems normal. Then sunlight disappears, the sky goes black, temperatures plummet, the oceans freeze. Humanity watches the stars in permanent darkness. The solar system survives. Life does not. Destruction rating 9 out of 10. Number 8. TON 618. And finally, the ultimate cosmic monster. TON 618. One of the largest black holes ever discovered. Roughly 66 billion times the mass of the Sun. If TON 618 replaced our Sun, the solar system wouldn't simply be destroyed, it would become irrelevant. Earth would fall toward an event horizon larger than our entire planetary system. There would be no escape, no hiding, no surviving. The black hole would dominate everything. Planets, moons, asteroids, all swallowed by a gravitational abyss. And as Earth spiraled inward, the night sky would become a warped nightmare of bent starlight and distorted space. This isn't the end of humanity. It's the end of the solar system itself. Destruction rating, off the scale. So which replacement would you choose? The freezing darkness of a white dwarf? The radiation storms of a Magnetar? Or the unimaginable gravity of TON 618? One thing is certain, the Sun may seem ordinary, but after seeing what else exists in the universe, it's clear we've won the cosmic lottery. Because among all the extreme objects in space, our Sun might be the safest star we could ever hope for. And that's a very comforting thought.